Most small businesses waste hours every week on manual work. The truth? You don't need expensive software to save time. In this video, I'll show you the 5 best free AI tools for 2025 and how to stack them into one powerful workflow. By the end, you'll have a complete automation system running at zero cost. First, content. Whether it's emails, blog posts, or captions, AI writers handle the first draft in seconds. With tools like Copy.ai or Jasper's free tier, you can generate outreach emails, social captions, or even product descriptions. Just give a short prompt and edit the output for your tone. That's hours saved every week. Second, document summarizers. Instead of reading 20 pages, use AI to give you a 1-minute brief. Tools like Scholarcy or ChatGPT with a PDF plugin can extract key takeaways instantly. This works for reports, meeting notes, or even client onboarding documents. Third, image generation. Tools like Canva's AI or Stable Diffusion create graphics, thumbnails, or even simple product mockups at no cost. Instead of paying for design work, you can generate polished images in seconds and reuse templates for brand consistency. Fourth, video captions. Sublime, YouTube's auto-captions, or Descript can instantly create subtitles. Captions boost retention and make your content accessible. And if you're creating shorts, captions increase swipe stop rate. Viewers stay longer when they see text on screen. Fifth, cold email assistance. Tools like Gmass or MailChimp's free tier let you draft, personalize, and schedule email campaigns automatically. No more copy-paste, no more forgetting to follow up. You get faster outreach with less effort. Here's how they work together. Write your post with AI, generate images, add captions, summarize docs, finish with automated outreach. OneLoop, powered by free tools, covers your entire content and communication system. That's an automation stack every business can use without spending a dime. To make this even easier, I've built a free AI tool, checklist, and 3 starter templates you can download today. Links are in the description. Use them to set up your first workflows right away. And if you want more free AI tools and automation tutorials, hit subscribe so you don't miss next week's guide.